I'm coming.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, baby. On my way.
Okay. Alright. Is it getting hot in here, or is it just me?
What, committed too much?
Crystal
Sorry.
coral. Yeah,
Sorry.
that was quite the commitment, goddamn. Got me a bit flustered over here.
Oh, sheesh. I always commit. Sand up, sand swept isles, yeah?
Yeah, I found him.
Oh, for God's sake. God.
Ah, shark! I
A
have been eaten by a
shark?
shark.
You
The
were
shark fucking ate my ass.
Oh,
That
nice.
fucking
Lucky
rude
shark.
ass fucking motherfucker. They just fucking yeet out of the water.
I love how you just completely ignored me.
Huh?
Don't worry about it, kitten.
Okay. Yay. The fuck did you say?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yay.
Kinda worried.
Why are you worried?
It seems like you said something sussy.
Sounds like it will be in the clip.